We're gonna break this down, defining his 4C hair. Start with shampoo. The most important topic when it comes to getting your curls defined and looking healthy and popping. You want your curls to look shiny. Bro, you need to take care of your scalp. If your scalp game is just off, then trust me, it's gonna affect the way your hair looks too. The reason why I really like using the Rosemary shampoo from As I Am is because of that nozzle cap. Some people call it a pump cap. It's not just for looks. It can allow you to get closer to your scalp when you're shampooing your hair, and it actually helps with you not wasting as much product. Yo, bruh, I don't know about you, but this inflation be hitting different. And especially when you want to concentrate on a specific area on your scalp, you can actually do that. Guys that are like me, experiencing any little bit of thinning or anything like that, the rosemary and the peppermint in here are great ingredients that are going to help thicken up your hair and a healthier scalp environment too. Make sure you're shampooing your scalp properly. It is literally the foundation. If you just slap the shampoo on top of your head and just think that it's done, that's half of the battle already lost, my guy. Make sure to follow for part 2, where we're gonna go over conditioning his hair, detangling it, and getting these curls ready to pop.